based trade union movement. And they sought to isolate, quote unquote, Nigeria workers from these two blocks. And we were only allowed, under the law, to affiliate with what is called OATU, or Organization of Africa Trade Union Unity, which was the workers' equivalent of AAU. A couple of other laws like that, decrees that military roll out from time to time. So we made a demand for minimum wage, and I was asked to chair the committee. And we made a case for an upward review of the minimum wage, which as of that time was 125 naira a month. But that 125 naira a month was equivalent to